In this video, we are going to fix Microsoft Store error code 0x80004003. So without any further ado, let's get started. The first solution that you can do is that you need to run the troubleshooter for Windows Store apps. Navigate at the start, make a right click, scroll up, and click on Settings. Once you have opened the settings window, please proceed to the search bar here at the left side and type for Windows Store apps. Then please wait until you can see this find and fix problems with Windows Store apps. Click on it and in a few moments you can open a window where you can run this troubleshooter. So click on next. Wait until this would be done. Okay, complete the procedure here. And once you are done with this, restart the PC and check if the error has been resolved. However, if not, then let's move on to the second solution, and that is to check the time and date. So navigate to the time and language to open the settings again. Proceed to the date and time and turn this to switched on for set time zone and set time to set it both automatically. Okay. However, if the error still persists, then press Windows key and R key together. Type for WS Reset EXE in the small window. Click on OK. And this will help you to clear the Microsoft Store cache. Once you have done with this, check if the error has been resolved. Okay? Unfortunately, if not, then let's move on to the last step, and that is to re-register the Microsoft Store. So by that, here at the search box, please type for PowerShell. Then you need to wait until you can see a best matched, which is the Windows PowerShell, and you need to run this one as an administrator. So please wait until you can get that option. Click on it. And from that, before you get started, I want you to copy the command that I have given at the YouTube description. Copy it and paste it here at the PowerShell. Okay? Control C to copy and then paste it here at the Windows PowerShell. Then you need to wait until you would be able to complete that successfully. And once done, restart your computer. Once you've restarted it, check if the error has been resolved. Okay? Now, if you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click or turn on the notification bell so that you will be able to be notified for more tutorials like this. Thank you and have a good day.